Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, open Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Display section. Now scroll all the way down and click on Easy Mode over here. Then select this switcher in order to activate it. Now you can adjust all of its options over here, and when you're ready, tap on Home button. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is enabled. In order to disable it, go into exactly the same settings and click on the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!